I wanted to zap some bugs, so I just picked up a bug zapper. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this bug zapper, little cord peeking out, kind of fighting its way out. It's like watching a dinosaur hatch out of an egg. And the reason I got this is because I've actually found these little bug zappers to be very useful. Now, I remember growing up, these things being put out on porches, like hung from the rafters above a porch or something like that, or outside a cabin door, zapping bugs, bzz, bzz, killing them by attracting them into the light. But one of the things that I have actually used this for over the last few years is just putting down in my basement. So I don't know if you're like me, you go down to your basement, you walk around, you kind of get spider webs in your face every now and then because you just don't go down there that often. And I don't know where the bugs get in, man. There must be little doors or secret entrances. So they get in there, and I have noticed that with my old bug zapper, I just put it down in the basement, and dude, the thing died basically because it killed so much stuff. It's just so clogged full of bugs. And one of the things that I've noticed is that my basement is actually pretty clear of bugs, which is really nice. So I thought what I should do here is get a new one. So what you can see here is this is a plastic housing. It's all black. You can see we have the two fluorescent, I don't really know if they're fluorescent, but two light bars in there. That's really what attracts the bugs. And then we have this metal grate in there, and that's electrified, and that's what kills the bugs. Now I want to show you, we have an on-off switch right there, but then on this side we actually have a little tray, which I think you can kind of work out and then pull this out, and what happens is that it's going to be a lot easier to clean, you know, dump out the bugs, wipe them out, because hopefully as they get electrocuted in there, they will fall down here. So hopefully this will be easier to keep clean than my old one. Now the other thing I want to show you on the back here, we have little key mount holes, so if you have screws on your wall, you could mount this to your wall, a little more permanent installation here. And it also does come with some hooks, so if you were going to hang this, I suppose you could do that too. Now, for me, this thing is just gonna basically sit on the floor, attracting bugs, two-prong outlet, just FYI. So let's get it plugged in and then start seeing if we kill them bugs. So here's my old zapper, bugs all around it, man. This thing is just filled with bugs. Pretty gross, and maybe I should have gotten something back in the day that was a little bit easier to clean, but like I said, it did its job for a very long time. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this on, and we do get those blue lights in there, and that is what I think will attract the bugs. Now, I'm not gonna wait around and prove that this worked, because grossness alert, I know this thing does. And so I am just looking forward to continuing to keep my basement bug free with a simple little contraption like this. It was only about 20 bucks. So if you want to pick up a bug zapper that attracts bugs and I know works, then I will put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.